Perfect for a quick lunch, snack, or even a late-night craving. This easy recipe is creamy, cheesy, and ready in no time. Ingredients: 1 cup elbow macaroni, 1 cup water, 1/4 cup milk, 1/2 cup shredded cheddar cheese, or any cheese of your choice, salt and pepper to taste. Optional toppings: chopped parsley, extra cheese, or a sprinkle of paprika. Cook the macaroni. Place 1 cup of macaroni and 1 cup of water in a microwave-safe bowl. Microwave on high for 2 to 3 minutes, stirring halfway through. Keep an eye on it to prevent water from boiling over. Cook times may vary depending on your microwave. The pasta should be tender but not mushy. Add milk and cheese. Carefully remove the bowl. It will be hot. Stir in 1/4 cup of milk and 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Microwave for an additional 1 minute or until the cheese is melted and the sauce is creamy. Season and serve. Stir well to combine everything. Add salt and pepper to taste. Optional. Top with extra cheese, parsley, or a dash of paprika for added flavor. Enjoy! Grab a fork and dig into your quick, cheesy, and satisfying macaroni. This 5-minute macaroni and cheese is the ultimate fast comfort food. Perfect for busy days or when you're craving something warm and delicious. Enjoy!